All right, here we come to a big wide elevator at Cory Hall at UCB in Berkeley, California. This is a vintage old Otis black button elevator. Awesome! Original black button. This is awesome, y'all. '50s Otis black button. This is definitely 50s, y'all. And here it is. Holy joy, this is huge. It's got the rubber bumper, look at that. Oh, okay. Oh, it didn't register, it didn't reverse direction. Oh, okay. Anyways, here we go. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is a big, big elevator. Whoa, let's stop hard. Here we go. Oh, I think P is locked. Four's locked. Can we go to 3? This thing is spectacular, y'all. All right. I hear the generator. Listen to this motor. Absolute gem, y'all. This is an absolute gem. There's your Otis sign. These are your Bakelite black button fixtures from the 1940s or 50s. I have to see what year exactly this was installed by various videos. And we are going to end the video on 2. Oh, there we go. This has got to be a top-driven traction elevator. Look how big this thing is. I love this thing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and exit. It's got the bumper. which a lot of them got replaced with sensors. So with that being said, that is one of the biggest elevator I've ever seen with a wide 2-speed door. So with that being said, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.